Hello everyone, welcome back to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. This video features front door design ideas, or wooden main door design ideas. We have brought you latest and attractive front door design ideas. While you are watching front door designs, we will narrate some of the factors which are need to be considered before choosing the right front door design. 1. Elegant look. Choosing an appropriate front door design gives attractive and elegant look to the face of your building. 2. Strength and durability. We should choose a high strengthened wood, and also should keep in consideration of long-lasting durability of wood for our front door of the house. 3. Low maintenance. One should choose a door design which has maintenance-free design. 4. Polishable and paintable. One should choose a front door design which can be easily polishable and paintable. 5. Security. Should provide maximum security to the building along with the attractive looks. 6. Insulation. One should choose a door design which provides insulation from heat, cold and outer sound pollution. 7. Cost effective. Affordable wooden front door design along with beautiful design is first choice of every home planner. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Thank you. Have a productive day.